Hi, this is Loco Motion Virtual Train, aka the Shadow in this case, as no actual video. Today I wanted to remix on a crime prevention idea I had on mass shootings. I did some research and came across the State of Iowa University, which did a major research project concerning murder. State of Iowa University indicating one murder has an impact on the economy of approximately $17 million. Understanding that this entails a lot of different factors, from obviously court, the investigation cost, a person going to jail, maybe spending a lifetime, a person that was murdered, no future income, affects the family, things of that nature. You can look that up, State of Iowa University, on murder impact. But my idea encompasses mass shootings, and I've developed a project idea, and it would reduce mass shootings by at least 1% on an installment at police stations, sheriff stations, offices, and or schools. And I'm looking for somebody that might be interested in getting involved in that. You can contact me by either leaving a detailed information that can be verified as not wanting to deal with crank calls, if you're interested, and I would appreciate it. Thank you.